Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Juliana or Jenna?
Juliana.
All right. How are you, Juliana?
Good.
MashaAllah, that's great. أعوذ بالله
أعوذ بالله
من الشيطان الرجيم.
من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله
بسم الله
الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن الرحيم.
All right, good job. All right, what's the name of this sign?
Double fatah.
Double fatha. What's the sound of double fatha?
N.
Okay. What's the name of this sign?
Double kasra.
Double kasra. Good job. What's the sound of double kasra? Hello.
Double kasra.
What's the sound of double kasra?
Oh, in.
In. Good job. What's the name of this sign?
Double dhamma.
What's the sound of double dhamma?
Un.
Brilliant. Good job. Okay. Uh, did we reach? Did we complete this file yet or not?
Um, uh, what do you mean, like complete this page?
Yeah. Did we complete this page or not yesterday?
We did.
We did it. All of it?
Oh no, we did not.
We did not. All right. Okay. So can you please read this line?
Sheen double fatah shan. Sheen fatasha. Sheen kasrashi. Sheen double kasrashin. Sheen dabashu. Sheen double damashun.
Brilliant.
Seen double fatasan. Seen fatasa. Seen double kasasin. Seen double
Seed kasra si.
seen kasasi.
Hmm.
Seen double kasasin.
Sin.
Seen
Sin
damasun.
double kasra
Sin.
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 Yeah.
Sin. Seen double damasun.
No, no,
Seen
no.
damasun. Su.
Sin the
Seen
masu. Yeah. Be careful. Slow down.
Seen double the masun.
Yeah. Good job. Okay. This one.
To double fetaton. To fetato. To kasati. To double kasati. Tun.
Tin. Yeah.
Tun. To the matu. To double the matu.
Tun. Be careful.
Tun. Tun.
Yeah.
The. The double fetaton.
Yeah.
The double. The fetato. To kasati.
No, 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 no.
To double.
Law. Be careful. What are you
The.
doing? Why are you rushing and mixing up with other things? Slow down. Read correctly. Come on. You can do it. You know the thing.
The double
No, but
kasati.
Jay, it is not double kasra. Single. It is only kasra here.
Kasra.
Yeah. Law kasra
The
z.
kasrati.
Law kasra z. It is not thaw. Come on.
The
Law kasra
the
z.
the double kasra the kasrati
Law kasra z.
the kasrati
First of
the
all, read the letter. Why are you confused? There is a dot here. Come on. This one has no dot. This is thaw. And this one is law. Slow down. Read correctly again, carefully.
double fitadan
Yeah.
the double fitaza
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
double
No.
kasrati
It is
I
single
mean
kasra.
the kasrati
Yeah.
the double kasratin
Yeah.
the damazu
Yeah.
the double damazun
Brilliant. Good job. You did it. Okay, next one.
fa double fatafan
Mm,
fa fatafa
mm,
fa kasrafi fa double kasrafin fa
yeah.
damafu fa double damafun
Yeah. Good job.
lam double fatalan
Mm,
lam double lam fatala
mm,
lam kasrali lam double kasralin
yeah.
Lam damalu. Lam double damalun.
Brilliant, good job.
Mim double fataman. Mim fatama. Mim double kasra. Me.
Meme
Mim
kasra me.
double kas. Me kasra me.
Uh,
Mim double kasra min.
yeah,
Mim damamu. Mim double damamun.
yeah, good job.
Nun double fatanan. Nun double fatana. Nun
No, no, no,
double
no. Oh,
kasra
why are you calling a single fatha as double fatha? It's noon fathana.
Oops. Nun fatana. Nun kasrani. Nun double kasranin.
Hmm,
Nun damanu. Nun double damanun.
good job.
Wow double fatawan.
Hmm.
Wow double
No, no, no,
no
no.
wow fatawa.
Yeah.
Wow kasrawi.
Hmm.
Wow double kasrawin. Wow damawu. Wow double damawun. Ya
Hmm.
double fatayan. Ya fataya. Ya double
No,
kasrai.
no, 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 no.
Ya
Single.
no
Yeah,
ya
kasra ye.
kasrai. Ya double kasrain. Ya damayu. Ya double damayun.
All right. Today we will learn three sounds. The first one is Izhar. The second is Ikhfa. The third one is Ghunna. Say Izhar,
Irhal.
Ikhfa,
Ikhfa.
Ghunna.
Ghanna.
Yeah. Okay, read the English letter N.
And
When you say N, did you feel that your tongue is touching at the roof?
yeah.
Yeah. This N sound is the Izhar sound, which means you are reading the N normally. Alright, so this one is Izhar. In other words, you are reading the N in a normal mode. So, N is the Izhar sound. N is what sound?
Irhal sound.
Yeah, good job. Now, what about Ikhfa? In Ikhfa sound, what we are doing is that we are making sure that we are, when we read the letter N, our tongue does not touch anywhere, and we will be stretching the sound for 1 second like this. And
Ah.
yeah, this one is the Ikhfa of N. What is it called? Ikhfa.
Ikhfa.
So, in the letter N, we are applying the Ikhfa rule by not making sure that our tongue is not touching anywhere, and the sound is being stretched for 1 second. So say again.
Ah.
Yeah, so N is Izhar and N is Ikhfa. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if we uh, keep our tongue stuck to the roof for 2 seconds, that will be Ghunna, like that. N, N.
And
Yeah, this is the Ghunna part. So N is Izhar, N is Ikhfa, N is Ghunna. Did you understand it?
yes.
Good job. Now we will apply the same thing here. So ta double fathatan. Repeat after me. Ta double fathatan.
Ta double fatatan.
That's Izhar. Alright. Now
Yeah.
ta will be Ikhfa. Say ta
Ta
ta.
ta ta
That's it. Now this is Ikhfa. Ta
tan
ta.
an
Yeah, that's Ikhfa. And tan. Say tan.
Then.
That's Ghunna. Now are you getting my point?
Yes.
Similarly, ta double kasra tin. Say ta double kasra tin.
Ta double kasratin.
Yeah, this is Izhar. And tin, say tin.
Then.
That's Ikhfa. Alright, and say tin.
And then.
That's Ghunna. Are you getting my point now?
Yes.
Good job. So ta double dhamma tun.
Ta double tamatun.
That's Izhar. Now guess what will be the Ikhfa?
Ikhfa will be the and
Now there is double dhamma here. We have to consider the un sound now.
ooh
No, 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 no. Tun.
to ton
That's Ikhfa. And tun will be Ghunna. Tun.
ton
That's it. Okay. Now what you need to do, mm, you will ignore it. Focus on the double signs only. Alright?
hey
Okay. Now please read the izhar of this.
to double fataton
Yeah, it's hard. Ikhfa. Now Ikhfa do it. Ikhfa.
um to
Mm-hmm. Try again.
double kasratin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, no.
Try
Um
again.
ton
Solve the Ikhfa part here.
ton
We don't touch our tongue in Ikhfa. Remember.
oh oops. To
You have to read the N sound, which will be the double fatha sound in your nose.
ton
No, you must not you make sure that you must not touch your tongue anywhere.
and
No, try again. When you first of all you touch your tongue to in order to produce the sound of letter thaw, but as soon as you produce the letter thaw sound, you immediately leave the roof and your tongue is in the air in the middle. No, 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 no. Let me help you. That thaw,
to
thaw. The N sound in your nose, please. Thaw. That's better. Thaw,
to
thaw. No, say the thaw sound first. Thaw. No, bache. No, bache. Focus. Look. Look. Oh my God. This is the roof. All right.
hey
Okay. This is the tongue. Now the tongue is touching at the roof for a moment in order to produce the letter thaw at the hill. As soon as you read the sound thaw, the tongue will immediately go back in the middle and it will remain in the middle for 1 second and the sound of double fatha will enter in the nose. Alright? So it will be
alright
thaw like that. Look at my point. Look at the circle here, the mouse pointer, and then say thaw.
to
That's it. Good job. This is what I meant. Thaw.
to
Yeah. Thaw.
to
Yeah. Now try to apply gunna of ton.
um ton
Since thaw is a heavy letter, it will be ton.
ton
Ton.
to
No, no, no. Touch your tongue.
Ton.
We are applying gunna here. In gunna, the tongue is stuck to the roof for
Oh,
2 seconds. Remember. Ton.
ton.
Good job. Ton.
Ton.
Good job. Similarly, ta double kasra tin. Say tin.
Tin.
Tin will be the izhar and tin is ikhfa. Say tin.
Tin.
Yeah, and tin will be gunna. Tin.
Tin.
Yeah, narrow your lips. Tin. Heavy letter. Tin.
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 Okay. Ta double dhamma tun.
To the maton.
That's izhar and tun will be ikhfa. Say tun.
To.
Yeah, and tun will be gunna. Tun.
Ton.
Oh, we'll practice more inshallah tomorrow. So please call Jenna now. It's her turn.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum wa alaikum assalam. It is assalamu alaikum. You have to put hamza in the beginning. Say assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah. Okay. The meme has to have dhamma on it. It should be assalamu alaikum. Like
Assalamu alaikum.
not assalama. Look,
Assalamu alaikum.
no bache. Meme dhamma mu. Say meme dhamma mu.
Mim the mamu.
Yeah. My dhamma is so, it has become so big. It's meme dhamma mu. It is assalamu alaikum. Say assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah. Now let me show you. Wa alaikum assalam. Let me tell you one thing. It's important. If you say assalamu alaikum, if you put fatha on meme, or if you say salama alaikum, or if you say salamu alaikum, removing the hamza in the beginning, or if you say salam alaikum, some people say it also like that. Uh, yeah, salam alaikum. This word, this word, this word, this word becomes a curse. The meaning will be may Allah destroy you, may Allah have no mercy on you, etc., etc. So all of these words are bad, it will become a curse. The correct word is assalamu alaikum. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just keep it in mind. Do not curse other Muslims. You have to say the proper salam. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Say assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Good job. Wa alaikum assalam. How are you, Jenna?
Good.
MashaAllah, that's great. A'udhu billahi
A'udhu billahi
من الشيطان الرجيم.
من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله
بسم الله
الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Good job. Okay, Jana, which sign it is?
Um, Ta double fathatan.
Ta double fathatan. Okay. Okay. Ta double fathatan is the izhar. What will be the ikhfa of tan?
Tau.
No. In ikhfa, make sure that your tongue does not touch anywhere. Once you read the letter ta, the tongue will touch to the roof one time and it will go back. In normal mode, it will remain in the air and you will stretch the sound of tan for 1 second. That will be ikhfa. So say tan.
Tan.
No, you have to make sure your tongue does not touch anywhere. Tan.
Tang.
That's better. Tan.
Tang.
Yeah, that's ikhfa. And then after that, we will apply ghunna. Now in ghunna, we have to press the roof for 2 seconds. Keep on pressing the roof for 2 seconds. That will be tan.
Tan.
Yeah. So this will be ta double kasra tin. That will be izhar. What will be the ikhfa of tin?
Tan. Tan. Da.
Remember, we are dealing with the double kasra here. The in sound.
Tan.
Now try to apply ikhfa here.
Tang.
Mm-hmm. You are going back to the double fatha. The sound of tan is considered with double fatha. Now it is tin's turn. How will we apply ikhfa on tin?
Tan.
No, not at all. It is tin.
Tan.
Right. You have to keep two things in mind. In ikhfa, we don't touch our tongue anywhere. Stretch the sound for 1 second and read the sound of n or noon in our nose. So in case of double kasra, the in sound will be in our nose. So tin.
Tan.
That's it. What will be the gunna of tin?
It'll be tan.
The in sound, remember,
Tan.
in sound.
Doesn't your tongue touch the roof
Yeah,
for
for
like
two
two
seconds.
seconds?
Yeah.
So it'll be then.
Tin.
Then.
Good job. Okay, this is ta double dhamma what? Ta double dhamma what?
Tun.
Tun. So tun is the izhar. Now apply ikhfa on tun.
It would be then. Or
We are dealing with
to.
no.
Yeah.
We are dealing with double dhamma here.
So tun.
Tun is izhar. Now apply ikhfa of tun.
To.
No, you have to read the un sound in your nose and make sure your tongue does not touch anywhere.
Ta.
Make your lips fully round. It will automatically correct it.
Tun.
That's it. Now this is the sound of ikhfa. Did you did you get my point now?
Yeah.
Yeah, ton is the ikhfa sound. And what about the gunna?
It would be tun.
No, the un sound. We are dealing with the un sound. Remember.
Tun. Yeah. Tun.
That's better. Press it
Yeah.
for 2 seconds more.
Tun.
No. Tun fully round.
Tun.
That's the sound. Yeah. All right. Read this one with spellings.
Ta double
No.
fathatan.
No, bache. It is thaw. Come on.
Ta double fatha tan.
Yeah, ton is the izhar now. What will be the ikhfa of ton?
It would be ta ta
Yeah, that's better. Ton.
ta
Yeah. What will be the ikhfa of ton? Oh, sorry. What will be the ghunna of ton?
ran.
Are you serious? Ghunna is the name of the rule. You are not going to add the ghain sound in. Come on. It is ta here. You are going to touch our tongue to the roof for 2 seconds. That's the end of it. Otherwise, the sound is the same. The original bass sound is the same. How will we apply ghunna on ton?
Tan.
Yeah, that's it now. Good job. Now, do the spelling of this one.
Ta
To,
ta
to.
ta double kasra tun.
Tin,
Tun.
tin.
Tin.
Yeah. Now, tin is the bass sound of izhar, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's the izhar sound, and this is also the bass sound of this letter and the sign. Now, keep that sound in mind. Now, how will we apply ikhfa on tin?
It would be the.
Brilliant. And what will be the gunna of tin?
It'd be tun tun.
You changed the bass sound now here now. You turned it into tun or tun. This is double kasra which we are dealing with. The in sound, remember? The ta double kasra tin. The tin sound is to be dealt with. Now how will we apply gunna on tin?
Dun,
No, you're changing the sound again. It's tin.
then,
Yeah, that's the thing. This is what I was talking about. Okay. To double dama what?
da, double dama, dun.
Yeah, to double dama tun. Now what will be the ikhfa of tun?
It would be tu,
Not at all. That's not the case. The bass sound is tun. Do not change the bass sound itself. How will we apply ikhfa? In ikhfa, do not touch your tongue anywhere. The sound of un will be in your nose.
dun,
Yeah, ton,
don,
ton.
don,
Yeah. Now apply ikhfa on tun. Oh, sorry. Now apply gunna on tun.
dun,
Yeah, that's better. Good job. You did it. Okay. The same letter. We will skip it. We will come to this one now. Okay, please read this letter with spelling.
da, or dal, dal double fatha, dun,
That's the idhar. What's the ikhfa of dan?
dun,
No, bache. Try again.
dun,
We are dealing with the letter dal here.
or dun,
In ikhfa, we don't touch our tongue anywhere. Remember that. Once you produce the letter dal's sound by touching the roof, you immediately go back.
da,
Dan.
da,
That's the ikhfa. And what will be the gunna of dan?
then, then,
No, you change the bass sound. The bass sound is dan of dal double fatha.
dun,
Yeah, dan is the correct one. Okay, which word is this? Dal double kasra what?
Da double kasra din.
Then that's the base sound. That's the izhar sound. Now, how will we apply ikhfa on then?
It would be din din
That's better. Good job. You are getting the grasp, mashallah. What will be the ghunna of then?
din
Yeah, that's better. Then, good job. And make sure that the dal is soft. Okay. What will be the dal double dhamma sound?
dun
Dun. That's the izhar now. Apply ikhfa on dun.
dun do
Try again. You are close enough, but try again.
do
The N sound should be in your nose.
dun
No, the tongue must not touch anywhere later on.
da
Dun.
do
Yeah, that's ikhfa. And what will be the gunna of dun? And keep your lips rounder. Just remember that in the case of double dhamma.
dun.
That's better. Dun is the gunna sound. Are you slowly, gradually grasping the concept of izhar ikhfa gunna?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just need to practice it because the time is very short. The time is already over now. So now please call Zainab.
Okay, I'll go get her. Walaikum salam.
It's wa alaykumus salam. Say wa
Wa
alaykumus salam.
Walaikum salam.
Good job. How are you, Zainab?
Good.
MashaAllah. A'udhu billahi
A'udhu billahi
minash shaitanir
minash shaitanir
rajim.
rajim.
Bismillahir
Bismillahir
rahmanir
rahmanir
rahim.
rahim.
Good job. All right. Do you remember the name of this sign?
Double
Yes.
fatha.
Yeah, double fatha. Good job. What's the sound of double fatha?
A
Oh, that's the sound of fatha.
wait.
The sound of double fatha is an. Say an.
Un
Yeah, good job. What's the name of this sign?
double kasra.
Double kasra. What's the sound of double kasra? In. In.
In
Yeah. The sound of double fatha is an. The sound of double kasra is in. Okay. What happened? Yeah. Okay. Which sign it is?
double dhamma.
Double dhamma. The sound of double dhamma is un. What's the sound of double dhamma?
Un
So we are writing here two U's and then an. U, and un to indicate the un sound because in English there is no such word with the un sound. So there is un sound, in sound, and un sound. Okay. An indicates the double fatha, in is for double kasra, and un is for double dhamma. So just repeat after me. Ta double fatha tan,
ta double fatatan.
ta and an makes tan.
Ta and an makes done.
Good job. Ta fatha ta,
Ta fatata.
ta kasrati,
Ta kasrati.
ta double kasratin,
Ta double kasratin.
ta and in makes tin.
Ta and n makes ten.
Yeah, ta dammatu.
Ta damatu.
Ta double dammatun.
Ta double tun.
Ta double dammatun.
Ta double damatun.
Yeah. Ta and un makes tun.
Ta and unmixed tun.
Please read the entire line.
Ta, wait. Double fatha
Hmm.
and and
Just repeat after me. Ta double fathatan.
ta double fathatan.
Ta fathata.
Ta fathata.
Ta kasrati.
Ta kasrati.
Ta double kasratin.
Ta double kasratin.
Ta dammatu.
Ta damatun.
Ta dammatu. Come on, focus. Ta dammatu.
Ta damatun.
Not tun, tu. I said tu. Ta dammatu.
Ta damatu.
Yeah. Ta double dammatun.
Ta damatun.
Yeah. Now you read the line.
Ta double fathatun. I mean
No.
on
Add the un sound in ta.
on done
No. It's right
done
letter. Right letter. You make your list wider.
done.
Tan. Yeah, that's it. Good job. Next one.
Ta fathata.
Yeah. Next.
Ta kasrati.
Yeah. Next.
Ta double kasra.
Mm.
Double kasra in
No, in the letter ta, you have to add the in sound. In is not separately read.
then.
Yeah, thin. That's it. Good job. Next one.
Ta double dhamma
No, no, no. It's a single dhamma. First,
done.
just read
Oh,
this one. Yeah,
um, ta dhammatu.
yeah. And now the last one.
Ta double dhamma
Now make your
done.
lips. No, make your lips fully round like a circle, and then say the thing.
Done.
Make your lips fully round. I said like a circle. Complete circle. Small circle. Your lips should be in this shape. Make your lips in this shape. Then say the sound.
Done.
More circular.
Done.
No, more circular. It should be more circular, smaller in size.
Done.
No, bache. More circular, I said.
Done.
No. Open the cam, please. Yeah. Now, make your lips fully round. Fully round. Fully. More smaller in size. Your mouth is so big. Smaller in size. Close the gap. Close the gap. Close the gap. I said close the gap. Close your lips a bit. Close your lips a bit and make it rounder, 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 rounder. Now ta double dhamma what?
Ta double. Done.
No. Let me show you. Can you see my image?
Yeah.
Now you have to make your lips like this, like this. Do it like this. Now ta double dhamma what?
Done.
No. Tun.
Done.
Tun.
Done.
Yeah, this is the sound. Ta double dhamma tun.
Da double dama. Done.
Ta double dhamma tun.
Da double dama. Done.
Yeah, that's the thing. Can you please read this with spelling?
Da fatha. Da double fatha.
Hmm.
Un.
No,
Done.
add the unsound in ta.
Done.
It is a light letter. Remember, lips should be wider, like that, like that, like that. Make your lips wider, wider. Say yeah. Now say the word.
Done.
Done. That's it. Okay. Good job. Now please read it.
Da double gasra. Then.
Good job. You are a genius. MashaAllah. All right. Okay. All right. What about this?
Da double double
Yes.
double dama.
Yeah. Ta double nama what?
Done.
More rounder.
Done.
More rounder.
Done.
No. It's the un sound which you need to add in the letter ta.
Done.
Tun. That's it. This is the sound. Good job. Again. Try again.
Da double get
Hmm.
gasra.
Yeah.
Da double gasra.
Yeah. Yeah.
Done.
I am trying to make your lips wider. You are saying, what are you doing? What's the sound of double kasra? Tell me.
Mm,
If I put something here in this box, how will we say it in English? What is? What will be the next word? What is? What is?
um,
Okay. I will just give you a statement. Fill in the blanks. Do you know about fill in the blanks?
yeah.
Yeah. So there will be fill in the blanks. Okay. What is dash the box? What is blank the box? What will be the in the blank? Which word will come? What is blank
Dash.
the box? Huh?
Dash the box.
Dash nahi. I'm saying what is blank the box? There is an English sentence. Let me write it for you. Here. What is Now this is the fill in the blank which you need to fill. The box. Now you tell me what will be what which word will we use in here?
What
What?
is the box?
No. Add a word here. What should be the word? What do you think should be the word here? What is space the box? Which word should we use here to complete the sentence? We will say what is in the box. Say what is in the box.
What is in the
So
box?
the sound of double kasra is in. I-N in. Say the sound of double kasra is in. What's the sound of double kasra?
In.
Yeah, so what will be the ta double kasra sound?
Thin.
Thin, good job. Okay. So this is da double kasra thin. Okay. Uh, what about this?
Dash. Double. Fatha.
Hmm. Ta double fatha what? What's the sound of double
Does it?
fatha?
Does
What is the sound of double fatha?
Does it start with a T?
No. What's the sound of double fatha?
Un.
Yeah, unplug. Have you ever heard a word unplug?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the sound un. So ta double fatha what?
Da double fatha.
Hmm. We have to add the un sound in ta. Come on, do it.
Done.
Yeah, tan. All right. Oh, okay. Now you tell me this one.
Da double dama. Din. Din.
No, the un sound. The double dhamma sound is un.
Dun.
Yeah, tun. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So this one is in. This one is uh here the un sound, and this one will be the un 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 sound. Okay.
Okay. Is
This is your assignment.
that's our assignment?
Your only your assignment.
Wait, did we do that yesterday for our assignment?
The above? It
Yeah,
was. It
that.
was. Yeah, it was yesterday. Yes. Yeah. Your mom's sent me the.
I seen Juliana's stuffy on one of the things.
Yeah.
It's from our school.
Uh huh. All right. Okay, inshallah. Meet you on Thursday, I guess. Wish you best of luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam.
Wa alaikum assalam. Say wa alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum salam.
Yeah, good job.